Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy marketing strategies with HubSpot step by step clearly. Start by logging into your HubSpot account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Marketing tab on the top menu. From the drop-down, select Campaigns to begin organizing your marketing strategies. Click on the Create Campaign button to start a new campaign. Enter a descriptive name for your campaign in the provided field. Add a brief description that outlines the goals of your campaign. Set the start and end dates that align with your marketing objectives. Next, select the marketing assets you want to include in your campaign. Go to the email section to create or select emails that will be part of your strategy. Click Create Email to draft a new email template. Choose either a regular or automated email type based on your needs. Design your email by adding engaging content, images, and clear calls to action. After finalizing the email, save and schedule it for sending. Moving on to the content section, create blog posts that support your campaign. Click on Create Blog Post and write compelling content that resonates with your audience. Include relevant keywords to optimize for search engines. Next, head to the Ads section to create targeted advertisements. Select the platform you wish to advertise on, such as Google Ads or Facebook. Set your budget and targeting criteria to reach your desired audience effectively. Once your ads are created, review the campaign's performance metrics. Use HubSpot's analytics tools to track engagement, open rates, and click-through rates. Monitor each marketing asset's performance throughout the campaign duration. Be prepared to adjust your strategy based on real-time data and insights. After the campaign concludes, evaluate overall performance against your initial goals. Prepare a report summarizing key metrics and insights gathered during the campaign. Use this data to inform future marketing strategies and optimize your approach. Finally, archive the campaign in HubSpot for future reference and analysis. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.